So in this video, you'll learn how to blur a video background on CapCut. So the first step is to ensure that you've added any edits that you wanted to add onto your video, whether that's adding audio, that's snipping the video, just any small thing that you originally wanted to your project. Ensure that you've actually done all of that before you get into anything else. And so once you've finished with all your edits, you want to just export this file and save it onto your phone. So tap on export and wait for it to be exported. And then from here, once it's been saved onto your phone, you can now go back to your project. So reopen that exact same project that you just exported. And then what you want to do is select the video, then click on effects. And then under effects, you want to select video effects. And you want to use the search function and you want to type in blur, then search. So you should see different blur options available for you to choose from, but I want to use this blur option just here at the top labeled blur. So I'll just tap on it and then the effect should be added onto my video. So when I go back, you can see that my whole video has been blurred. So let me just tap on this tick to confirm the changes. Now when I play the video, you can see the whole video has been blurred. If it hasn't, then you want to ensure that the blur has covered the whole video by stretching the effect. Then from here, you want to export this video with the full blur added onto it. So just wait for the export to finish itself. And then you can now start blurring the background. So to do that, you want to open new project, and then you want to start with the blurred video that we've just exported. So this one right here. You can see the previous is showing it's blurred, so tap on add, and it will be added onto our timeline. And then once it's been added onto our timeline, it's now time to add the second video. To do that, you want to tap on overlay, select add overlay, and then we choose the first video that we originally rendered, so this one right here without any blur, and you want to tap on add, and it should be added onto the timeline. You also want to ensure that it's actually matching up and that there is no extra seconds that's been added. So now you want to ensure that both videos are lining up so that they should be completely identical to how they line up, so they should look something like this, and it should also be centered so that it's easy for you to work with, like that. Then once you've confirmed that the videos are lining up on both sides, sorry, not yet lined up. And then from here, you want to select the second clip and you want to scroll through the different options until you find remove background. Tap on it, then select auto removal. Then you can see that the background has been removed. So you'll notice that the background might actually just switch automatically to the blur. So now it's up to you to customize your cutout and just select which parts that you actually want blurred and which parts that you don't want. Sorry, which parts that you want to be removed and which parts you don't want removed. Then when you do that, you'll notice that now some subjects are not part of the blurred background. So it's up to you to customize that auto removal. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.